Want to change your Rain router password? This video will show you the simple steps to secure your home network. Let's dive in. First things first, changing your Rain router's Wi-Fi password requires accessing the router's web interface, usually through a web browser. Now, to begin, ensure your device, PC, phone, tablet, is connected to your Rain Wi-Fi network. You need to be connected to the router you want to manage. Next, open a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge. In the address bar, type your router's default IP address. Common Rain router IP addresses are 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.8.1. Check the sticker on the bottom or back of your Rain router for the exact IP address and default login credentials. You'll be prompted to log in with the router's username and password. The default credentials are often admin for both, or they might be unique to your router. Check the sticker. Once logged in, navigate to the Wireless Settings, Wi-Fi Settings, or Network Settings section. Here you'll find options for your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password, WPA2, pre-shared key, or network key. Enter your new desired Wi-Fi password in the appropriate field. Make it strong, using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Click Save or Apply to save the changes. Your devices will temporarily disconnect, and you'll need to reconnect them using the new password. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more home network tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.